Hello, my name is Rand. You're about to watch a free preview lesson from the Accelerated Worldbuilding course from Worldbuilding University. In other words, if you went to worldbuilding.university and found this course, you'd see that at least this lesson can be previewed. This is that lesson, minus what I'm saying right now. If you're interested in the course, you can take it for free as there's a coupon code in the video description. But I would act now to save on the full price of $49 in case this goes away. You can sign up now and take the course later if you want, as you already have it for free. Now on with the preview, and please like the video and subscribe to see more as they're uploaded. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Accelerated Worldbuilding from Worldbuilding University. I am your instructor and the founder of WBU, Randy Ellefson. We're going to start off with a quick intro to the course before diving in. The course is designed to teach you whether you need to invent each element of a setting and why. It's for fantasy and science fiction, for storytellers and game designers, and you will have ongoing access to the course. There are 21 video lessons with a running time of roughly 2 hours. Almost all of the lessons have a quiz. They are optional and present to remind you of some key points for you to take away at the end of a lesson. There's only one assignment, and that is to fill out the checklist spreadsheet that you can download from this particular lesson. It is a checklist for you to fill out after each lesson as you decide whether you're inventing something for your current project or not. The lessons can be done in any order. The course is not for everyone. It is best suited to those who feel overwhelmed by all the world-building tasks potentially before them and are struggling to decide how much they need to do and why. It's also for those who have never built a world or who have built many. And if you would like to be walked through the pros and cons of inventing each element. And if you would like to know what is involved at a high level in inventing each element. It is called Accelerated Worldbuilding because by eliminating items you don't need to spend time on, you can focus on what you do need to do and complete a world-building project with clarity and greater speed. There will be less second-guessing of why you are or are not inventing something. This course will not teach you how to invent any of the items. What it will do is help you decide whether you should do them or not. Now for a little about me, Randy Ellefson. You can learn far more at my website, randyellefson.com, including about books and music I've released, since I'm also a musician. I have been world building since 1988, so over 30 years, on and off. Much of it has been done when I don't have the months needed to devote to a novel, but I also love doing it and would probably benefit from an intervention. I am primarily a fantasy author with over a dozen short stories, 6 novels, 10 nonfiction books, and 1 novella. You can actually read that novella, The Everfiend, for free by joining my fiction newsletter and getting a link to download an ebook copy. It certainly shows off some of my world building. I am also the author of the Art of World Building series of books. This has sold thousands of copies and reached #1 on Amazon in its category. It's endorsed by New York Times bestselling author Piers Anthony and the inventor of the Forgotten Realms, Ed Greenwood. The podcast that is associated with the books has over 40,000 downloads as of mid-2020. This is a quick rundown of the lessons in the course, but I'm not going to read them all. I do want to point out that in the Creating Places section in the middle, the first lesson discusses everything about a physical setting, such as moons, stars, planets, continents, land features like mountains and forests, bodies of water, and settlements. In these cases, it's less a question of do we need to do it, but how much of it do we need to do? That makes that lesson a little bit different. I hope you're excited for where this course is going to take you, because I am. You will be certain of what you need to do by its completion. On to the first lesson. Okay, that's the end of the preview. Please check out the video description for a whole bunch of resources that you can click on and get more information about courses and the books that this is based on and a bunch of other stuff. And please remember to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.